Hello, hello! So, today I wanted to make a video about a really cute tiny camcorder. You can't really accurately gauge the size of it because for my hand it actually fits quite well, but this is basically half the size of a regular camcorder, and obviously it's not going to be super high quality National Geographic level footage, but I think for the early 2000s look that a lot of people were going for, this could actually be really interesting. So it actually turns on. There's me. There's a lot of life in it and it could be very interesting. So I'm going to test it out today and let's see how it turns out. So here's the view of the camera. Here's me opening it up. It's pretty simple. On, off, start, stop. The screen is just so tiny. It's hard to tell when I'm recording. Oh, the red dot. So I wonder how it captures very high exposure. I mean, it's not bad honestly. I see a lot of details still. Well, that's the camcorder. I would say it definitely looks very early 2000s, and I hope you enjoyed this video.